Hello and welcome to One World News. I'm Veronica, and if you're searching for an intense, action-packed OTT watch this week, then we have a massive recommendation for you. One of the most talked about action thrillers of the year, Dhurandhar, The Revenge, is finally making its digital debut, and fans simply cannot keep calm. After creating huge buzz among cinema lovers and action movie fans, Dhurandhar, The Revenge is now officially set for its international OTT release on May 14, 2026 on Netflix. And here's what makes this release even more exciting. The OTT version will arrive as an extended Raw and Undekha edition, promising audiences a more intense and immersive experience. This cut promises to offer fans a much more gritty experience than the theatrical release they saw in cinemas. The theatrical runtime of the film was approximately 3 hours and 49 minutes, but the OTT version has now been extended to nearly 3 hours and 52 minutes, adding extra sequences and deeper storytelling elements for fans who wanted even more from this action-packed revenge saga. It's a more immersive journey into the world Dutt has created. While the international streaming rights are being handled by Netflix, reports suggest that the Indian digital streaming rights are expected to arrive on Jio Hotstar after IPL 2026. However, the exact Indian OTT release date has still not been officially confirmed, which has only increased anticipation among viewers. The wait continues for fans in India, but the excitement is at an all-time high. Directed by acclaimed filmmaker Dutt, Dhurandhar, The Revenge features a powerhouse cast including Ranveer Singh, Sanjay Dutt, and Madhavan. The film blends high-octane action, revenge drama, emotional intensity, and thrilling storytelling, making it one of the most awaited OTT releases of the season. If you love larger-than-life action thrillers, gripping performances, and edge-of-the-seat drama, then Dhurandhar, The Revenge deserves a spot on your watch list. And with the extended Raw and Undekha cut arriving digitally, audiences can now experience scenes and moments that were never fully explored in theaters. It's an experience you won't want to miss if you're a fan of the genre. So mark your calendars for May 14, 2026, because Dhurandhar, The Revenge is all set to dominate OTT screens globally. Tell us in the comments, are you excited to watch the extended version? This is Veronica signing off with One World News. Stay tuned, stay entertained, and keep streaming.